Hello and welcome to the 41st update video for Archeology Rush. So I'm going to try and do some things a little bit differently over the next coming weeks. Normally I just record these on a Wednesday with the latest updates, but I'm going to try and just do a little bit more of a focused push on what has actually changed. And then maybe each month kind of do a playthrough. So first of all, let's just jump in. I've got a post-tutorial save here that can show off most of what we've been doing. Actually, we've been doing a tutorial recently. And if we jump up, we have one letter. And I've added in this dialogue here. Which I'm still working on kind of fine-tuning a lot of the controls. But yeah, so this dialogue plays basically just complaining about this letter. So if you haven't watched the previous video, the tutorial ends with the training being interrupted by a senior recruit coming in and requesting that Henry Pepper, senior, world famous English archaeologist, should halt from training recruits and come back to receive this letter, which is an invite for the World's Fair in Paris later that year. Now, we can close that up, but we can also flip it round, which is what the dialogue that we're not really reading at the moment. And we can basically see that we get another. So the dialogue isn't final. I'm going to go through a pass at the end of it. We basically get told, right, there is a map to Egypt. Now, if we open up this, we get a port ticket, which is interestingly done. Just detailing the ticket for the Nile steamer. If we go back down, this little guy is sort of appeared just here. And FYI, this up here is the training tomb. In fact, if I dig it out, it shouldn't be diggable. We can actually replay that, but we don't want to do that. Now, this port ticket, now that it's available, means that I can travel to the wonderful Nile. So, if we come all the way there, the camera needs some work. I've actually added in the Nile itself, which needs a little bit of work. Yeah, I quite like it. So this is all kind of 3D. Yeah, it's quite fun. I'm glad. I'm glad that we finally managed to add in something that's sort of so famous and so important. And yeah, so that's exciting. Of course, there's the whole of Egypt to sort of look over. But let's dig through one of these tombs and we'll start. And so this is like a non-tutorial level. So we jump in and we're getting a slide level with no modifier and bronze loot. Right, so we can just slide down and we're going to run away from this. It's currently traveling faster than us. And we need to get to the bottom. That's fine. No loot in that tomb, which is not a problem. If we travel, cool. So this is a troll toll, which means we've got to pay the troll toll. Also collect extra loot. Now, for the purpose of just speeding up this video, I'll be unable to play my own game. Basically, yep, we'll just pay this toll and go through. Let's jump over, and it's another troll toll. So that one opens up, that one up there, right? Let's grab some more loot. What? I'm terrible. I need to fix this ladder situation. Right. Cool. So, jump here, and then we'll get to the final level. And that is still basically where we are up to in terms of the first Henry Pepper demo thing. And we get a little animation, we get this buggy as hell camera. Right, to get mate, our setup camp by the Nile. So yes, completed one. The other tomb is completable, but I'm going to continue working on just getting the rest of the demo kind of working, and then going through in kind of passes just to get it sort of refined. But at the moment, I'm just pushing towards the end. But yeah, it would be great just to get any feedback. As I said, I'm gonna probably change up the format of these videos just a little bit, so that the old classic kind of playthrough formats will be there like once a month, but actually we're going to start to show off individual features and changes as they come along, which will be fun. Still get a video every Wednesday because I'm still committed to updating it for myself. But yes, you can play the latest version of this now. You go to the link in the description, or you can play the old previous demo as well. There's a link in the description. Yes, have a lovely week, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.